Welcome to this lesson on the present continuous tense. Today, we're going to explore the three main uses of this important tense. The present continuous helps us talk about different types of actions and situations in our daily lives. Let's discover when and how to use it correctly. The first use of present continuous is for actions happening right now, at this exact moment. When you want to describe something that is in progress as you speak, you use this tense. For example, she is reading a book right now means she's doing it at this very moment. They are playing football at the moment tells us the game is happening now. I am working on my computer describes what I'm doing as I speak. These are all actions taking place in the present moment. To help identify actions happening now, we use special time markers or signal words. These include right now, at the moment, and simply now. We also use currently and at present in more formal situations. Even the word today can signal present continuous when talking about ongoing actions. When you see or hear these words in a sentence, they often indicate that the present continuous tense should be used. The second important use is for temporary situations. These are actions or states that are not permanent and will change in the future. For instance, she is staying with her parents this week means it's only for a short time, not forever. I am working from home these days indicates a temporary arrangement. He is studying English this semester, shows the situation will end when the semester finishes. All these examples describe situations that are temporary, not permanent parts of someone's life. The third use might surprise you. We can use present continuous to talk about future plans that are already arranged. These are definite appointments or arrangements we've already made. For example, we are meeting them tomorrow at 3 p.m. describes a scheduled future meeting. She is flying to Paris next week means the flight is already booked and confirmed. They are having dinner with us tonight indicates a planned event for later today. Notice how all these refer to the future, but we use present continuous because the plans are already fixed. Let's review the three main uses of present continuous. First, we use it for actions happening now, events occurring at this very moment. Second, we use it for temporary situations, short-term states or conditions that won't last forever. And third, we use it for future plans, specifically arranged future events that are already confirmed. Understanding these three uses will help you use the present continuous tense correctly in your English conversations and writing. Practice recognizing these different situations, and you'll become more confident with this important tense.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.